bashiki bacu Nyansana bashomira.
Stella Muhumuza Muheru uri president wa Rotary Club of Mutundwe nagira ngo bwashomera Kinyansano Girls bakaba binekiza ubucibura ry'amizi enshonge mu gemiserize kugaruka kwatara hishomereri.
Hano myaka ya kare konka nabo kweshomera hapati nekiza cy'amizi. So as anoji kunabire president wa Rotary Club ya Mutundwe cyabanze kunyijo umutwe no kugaruka hinari akwankani bayekizo cy'ikibera. So
President ashabira bejo koresa kurunja mizaga no kugarinda je.
So students, please wash your hands one by one.
I think it is a lifetime project because so see carry any record of drying. So we pray we maintain that flow because it is too much.
Ilizoba tujaha ishendekerize mwa club zitu Rotary Club ya Mutundwe mu commissioninga amezi agabahire ishomero rya Nyansano Girls. Itwe ka Rotary ni kimwe ahabituru gukora kimwangingo zitu mushanje kitukora icyo kwereza amezi.
Arani cyasimire urumukuru wa Kinyansano Girls hamwe nabeji basimira ba Rotary Club of Mutundwe abo kubijuka.
Bentinamizi gumucharara bine yo reserve konkane kwata amiza gaha agoba kwita run of amizi gaha safesa gakorwa mu rugo. Rero tugapampinga tugatomutanga rero tugatreating. So tukumanyisa ngo mucyanda injura yabura nigaba gatari yo mucharara. Rero samutayimu z'amizi gabura otegereza na national water na go gabura oshango bunda bana bashohora heru kuza kurondo mu maziba no mu migano andi eco rero kintu cyo buremezi kugira ngo abishiki bagende bade kutaha amizi mungeno hati
gasha kwa dano basibiye.